The VARMINPOOL 30,000 BTU electric pool heat pump is an impressive addition for anyone looking to extend their swimming season or maintain a comfortable pool temperature year-round. Designed for pools up to 8,000 gallons or 18 feet in diameter, this heat pump offers reliable performance whether your pool is above ground or in-ground. One of its standout features is the advanced smart inverter technology, which automatically adjusts the heating output to match your pool's specific needs. This not only ensures consistent warmth, but also makes it highly energy efficient, helping you save on electricity without compromising on comfort. Control and convenience are taken to the next level with its Wi-Fi-enabled app, allowing you to manage your pool from anywhere. You can set schedules, adjust the temperature, and monitor performance directly from your phone, making it incredibly user-friendly. The build quality is also worth noting. With a corrosion-resistant titanium heat exchanger, this heat pump is fully compatible with saltwater pools, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The galvanized steel construction and protective evaporator shield add extra resilience against harsh weather conditions, allowing the heater to function efficiently even in tough outdoor environments. Installation is surprisingly fast and straightforward, designed to be completed in under 30 minutes with easy-to-follow instructions, so professional help isn't necessary. Safety is another key focus, as it comes equipped with a leakage protection plug, flow switch, and temperature sensors to prevent malfunctions and keep your pool heating safe and reliable. Weighing just over 90 pounds, it's manageable to position while still feeling solid and built to last. Overall, the VARMINPOOL 30,000 BTU electric pool heat pump delivers excellent heating efficiency, smart connectivity, and durable design, making it a great choice for anyone looking to enjoy a warm pool year-round with minimal hassle.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.